Hey guys, Victor Salazar here. Hope you guys liked the last video regarding the micro system. Wanted to share something with you guys. These lights I've had for over a year now. I'm using them to light up the garage here, and I wanted to share this with you guys. These guys are awesome. These are the Blizzard Q6Ws pucks. These guys are amazing. Just wanted to show these guys off. Show you guys a little peek at them. Right here I have them lighting up the garage here. These things are awesome. Get them through nlfxpro.com. Contact Ben Stowe and his lovely team. They will take care of you guys. I also wanted to show something off. Since there's all this wireless DMXing going on, I'm going to show you guys something. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, I'm back. This is where I wanted to show you guys. Here's a wireless DMX system by Blizzard. This is the wireless DMX transmitter. And now the best thing about this is that this guy is so small. This is the Blizzard Lightcaster. Okay. Here's your DMX in, DMX out. Here is an antenna that you would use to plug it in. Sorry. Give me 1 second. Alright, antenna's plugged in. Sorry. Anyways, this is your transmitter. And this is probably the biggest piece of this whole system, because these are your receivers. Maybe these guys are a little longer, but in terms of bulkiness, this is it. This is your receiver. These are Wisicles. I brought out 3 for demonstration purposes. These things are amazing. They don't take up a lot of space. They're powered by these same lights here that are providing the lighting here. These guys are Wisicle enabled. You can plug these babies in and they will power up these guys and start talking to our transmitter. If you're using a different type of light, there is a plug here on the side. Here it is. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's the plug. And you can actually connect this to a wall socket and it'll be powered up, and basically you're just eliminating cables and extra bags that you have to carry with you. These things are simply amazing. Let me plug everything in real quick and I'll show you guys how these babies work. This is the LED controller, DMX controller that we're using for this, for the purposes of this video. This thing is pretty solid. It's by American DJ, the RGBW4C. You guys can see, you basically just have to tap the buttons and to the colors that you want: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple, magenta, and white. And then you can have your presets right here if you want to make your own custom color. You've seen Brian's videos on this guy, so we won't go into it, but let me plug this in and we'll show our wireless system right now. Alright guys, this is where I wanted to show you guys real quick. Right now we just have this on white. Obviously it's lighting up the wall over here. So what we need to do before putting these guys in is we are going to set these to slave mode. Okay, sorry, wrong one. See, right now it's blinking on master. You want to hit slave and then you hit enter, and then what you do is you plug this baby in. Okay, right now there's a red light on the Wisicle because the transmitter is not talking to it. So I will connect it right now, and it's also, as you notice, it's I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says it's on standby, STBY. So it's on standby. It's waiting for a signal to come through. So let me connect everything else and we'll take it to the next step right now. Okay, here's the back of the unit. We have our DMX out, going into our Lightcaster, DMX in, and since we're going wireless with our Wisicles, there's no need for cabling to go out there. And this pretty much lights up automatically. Like it's it just automatically finds signal to the bicycles, which is awesome. It automatically talks to each other. As you see, the red blinker, it's talking to the bicycles. And over here on this side, here's the bicycle, and it's blinking green, showing you that it's working. It's talking to each other. Here's the other unit, and here's the other unit. Alright, here's our lights, and you notice the only power that our cables that we're using is just linking the lights to each other, sorry. But outside of that, there's no DMX cables. DMX cables can be heavy and a pain in the butt to carry around, and running cables and all the tape, everything that you're investing. So this is what I'm using for wireless DMX, and I couldn't be happier. And of course this controller does work with it. It's just plain old DMX. So hopefully the camera picks up the colors here. Blue. So just like that, guys. So we have the strobing, of course, and that you could go through your chases and everything, but this is pretty cool. I like using the strobe, even with the chases and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much about it. That's the DMX. So again, guys, the Blizzard wireless DMX system doesn't take up a lot of space. It's not bulky. There's other systems out there. You have the D5 by Chauvet, and then you have the Y-Flex by American DJ. But I use Blizzard. It's been very good to me. So anyways, that's it for the video, guys. We will talk later. Stay in the mix. If you guys have any questions, let me know. You know, we'll be able to answer them as best as possible, but that's it. Wireless DMX by Blizzard. Stay in the mix, guys.